At number 5, we have the Sondiko Culinary Professional Kitchen Butane Torch. This torch is designed with versatility in mind, making it an excellent option for both kitchen use and light crafting projects. One of its standout features is the ability to use it inverted, allowing for complete 360-degree rotation. This makes it incredibly flexible for tasks like searing meat or caramelizing sugar on a creme brulee. The adjustable flame knob lets you control the intensity of the flame, reaching a maximum temperature of 2500 Fahrenheit. In terms of design, the Sondiko torch is lightweight, weighing just 5.8 ounces, and features an ergonomic trigger for quick ignition. Its universal card-type interface eliminates the need for manual refilling, which is a big plus if you're in the middle of a project. However, the ABS and metal construction feels less premium compared to other torches on this list. While it's durable enough for casual use, it might not hold up well under heavy-duty applications. This torch is ideal for occasional culinary tasks or light DIY projects. Its price point and functionality make it a good entry-level option, but the lack of a fuel gauge and slightly less robust build quality places it at the bottom of our list. Overall, it's a solid pick for those looking for a budget-friendly, versatile torch. Pros: affordable, versatile, and ergonomic design. Cons: no fuel gauge, not the most durable construction. Coming in at number 4, the TBTEEK blowtorch is a great option for home cooks and hobbyists. Featuring a mini, lightweight design and a sleek silver and black finish, this torch is perfect for light kitchen tasks, like caramelizing desserts, searing small cuts of meat, and creating that perfect golden brown crust on a creme brulee. The adjustable flame can reach temperatures of up to 2,370 Fahrenheit and offers a continuous flame mode for hands-free operation. The construction is a mix of aluminum and ABS plastic, which provides a balance between durability and portability. The built-in finger guard is a thoughtful touch, protecting users from burns during extended use. However, it's worth noting that the torch is explicitly marketed as a home-grade tool and is not intended for heavy-duty or professional culinary tasks. Additionally, it lacks a fuel gauge, which makes it harder to track how much butane remains. Refilling is straightforward as long as you're using a compatible butane canister with a long universal refill tip. Overall, the TBTEEK torch offers excellent value for home cooks who want a reliable, no-frills blowtorch for light tasks. It's easy to use and comes in a gift-ready box, making it a thoughtful present for food lovers. Pros: lightweight, ergonomic design, and affordable. Cons: limited to light tasks, no fuel gauge. At number 3, we have the TBTEEK butane torch, a versatile and durable option for both cooking and DIY enthusiasts. This torch is designed with safety and convenience in mind, featuring a safety lock to prevent accidental ignition and an ergonomic grip for comfortable handling. With a maximum flame temperature of 2,500 Fahrenheit, it's great for caramelizing sugar, searing steaks, and even light soldering tasks. What sets this torch apart is its compatibility with all types of butane tanks, whether they have long or short nozzles. The torch comes with 3 adapters, making refilling hassle-free. The aluminum alloy body feels sturdy and resistant to wear, and the continuous flame mode allows for hands-free operation, which is a big advantage for more intricate tasks. However, its slightly bulkier design might not appeal to users looking for a compact option. The TBTEEK torch strikes a good balance between functionality and price, making it a reliable choice for both home cooks and hobbyists. It also comes with a 1-year warranty, offering peace of mind for your purchase. Pros: high temperature range, versatile, and includes adapters for refilling. Cons: bulky design, no fuel gauge. In the runner-up spot at number 2, the Sondiko blowtorch is an exceptional tool for culinary enthusiasts and DIYers alike. Crafted with a durable aluminum body and equipped with a transparent fuel gauge, this torch provides a perfect combination of safety, durability, and convenience. The fuel gauge is especially useful, allowing you to monitor gas levels and avoid overfilling, which can be a common issue with other models. This torch is versatile and easy to use, featuring a simple trigger-style ignition and an adjustable flame that can reach up to 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit. The safety lock and burn-free finger guard ensure that you can use the torch with confidence, even for longer tasks. Whether you're caramelizing sugar, searing meats, or tackling light soldering projects, the Sondiko torch delivers consistent performance. It's also portable, making it a great companion for camping trips or outdoor barbecues. Overall, the Sondiko blowtorch offers premium features at a competitive price, making it one of the best options for home and professional use. Pros: transparent fuel gauge, durable build, and versatile functionality. Cons: slightly heavier than other models, no included butane. Finally, at number 1, we have the Sondiko Butane Torch S907, which truly stands out as the best overall blowtorch for both kitchen and industrial use. This model combines a sleek design with exceptional functionality, featuring one-handed operation, a transparent fuel gauge, and an adjustable flame that can reach an impressive 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit. The S907 is specifically designed for users who demand precision and reliability. Its alloy steel construction ensures durability, while the ergonomic design allows you to adjust and lock the flame with just one hand. The included red adapter makes it compatible with various butane canisters, adding to its convenience. Whether you're caramelizing creme brulee, soldering jewelry, or creating resin art, this torch delivers consistent and professional-grade results. What earns this torch the top spot is its combination of premium features, ease of use, and versatility. It's slightly more expensive than other options, but the quality and performance make it well worth the investment. Pros: one-handed operation, fuel gauge, and professional-grade performance. Cons: none significant, except it's not the lightest option. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in finding the best blowtorch for your kitchen or DIY needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.